Lost your keys? Don't panic. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on what to do when you find yourself locked out. Let's get started. Misplacing your keys can be a stressful experience, but fear not, we're here to walk you through the process of dealing with a lockout, whether you're standing outside your home or stranded by your vehicle. Our step-by-step guide will help you regain access without the unnecessary stress. So, take a deep breath, and let's navigate this together. First things first, stay calm. Losing your keys can be frustrating, but panicking won't help. Take a deep breath and let's move on to the next step. And for more comprehensive guidance on handling lockout situations, watch our video How to Act in a Lockout Situation. We provide detailed steps and tips to help you navigate these stressful moments. Time to retrace your steps. Think back to where you last had your keys. Check any pockets, bags, or surfaces where they might have been placed. Sometimes, they can be right in front of your nose. No luck finding your keys? It's time to call a reliable locksmith. They have the expertise and the right tools to help you regain access to your home or vehicle. While waiting for the locksmith, check if you have any spare keys. Friends, family, or neighbors might have a spare set you can use temporarily. It never hurts to ask. If your keys are still lost, it's a good idea to rekey or replace your locks once you regain access. This will ensure your security moving forward and offer you peace of mind. For more insights into ensuring the safety of your home, be sure to watch our video on the danger of faulty door locks. Understanding the importance of secure locks is crucial, and our video provides valuable information. And that's it. We hope this guide helped you navigate the frustration of losing your keys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.